Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to install the Nuru programming language interpreter inside your Android mobile phone. So what you need for installing that interpreter or compiler is this application called Tamax, this one over here. So I will leave the download link on the description below so you can download it over there. So after you have done that, just open the application. Then you'll be greeted by this beautiful terminal here. So this is where we'll be writing our commands to install the Nuru compiler or interpreter. So I will go ahead before installing and downloading it, the Nuru interpreter. I will go ahead and visit a certain repository, this one over here. It's called Nightfall Tamax bash rc. So we need this in order to edit the bash rc. So the bash rc is a special file in the Linux world where it stores the path to some binaries, and these binaries are the one which are executed when you write a command in the command line interface. So go ahead and follow these commands over here. Just copy the first one, paste it over here, press enter, and mind you, if you don't have Git, if you want to install Git, for example, if you have tried this command, it has showed you that Git is not available, just type pkg install install Git, like that. That is if you don't have Git installed. So you go ahead and install it. So then type this command, then press enter. It will clone the repository in your phone. So the next part is to copy this one over here, the next command. Just go ahead, paste it over there, press enter. It's done. Then go ahead and copy the other one, paste it again. So it will restart it will close the application, so you have to open it again. So you can see, you will see something like this. So with this, we are safe to say that we can go ahead and download and install Nuru. So I will go back to my browser like that, then just search for Nuru docs. So Nuru programming language. So the first link, I leave the links on the description below. Then click on get started. Here on the menu, just click menu and take Android, like that. Then you'll go here on the installation, installation part, copy this command, then go and paste it over here, press enter. So wait for it to download it. So after it has finished, you have to go back to the documentation and copy the next command. So the first command was to download the zipped file or the zipped Nuru interpreter. Then the next one is to extract it using tar. So go ahead, copy the command, go back, paste it, press enter. So it will extract it. And the final part is to go back here, copy the final command, then go ahead, paste it over here and press enter. So after you have done that, you have downloaded and installed Nuru in your Tamax terminal. So to check if it has downloaded or installed correctly, just type Nuru to check the version, Nuru-v, then press enter. So you will see it has installed directly. So you can see I have installed the version 0.5.1. So that's how you install Nuru on your mobile phone application. So if you have any question, you can just leave on the comment section below. I will be there to answer the question. So thank you for tuning in this video. I will see you on the next 1.